Welcome to Tech Bytes. Today we are diving into the world of Python, and trust me, it's easier than you think.
Whoa, Techie, I heard Python is super powerful. Can I learn too?
Of course, Byte, and you watching at home, you can also join us too. We will be writing real Python code together. But before that, let's understand what Python is. Python is high-level programming language that is used for many things like web development, data science, automation, and even artificial intelligence. It's popular because it's easy to read and write.
Oh, so Python is like a language that computers understand? Yes, but Python is closer to human language compared to other programming languages. That's why it's great for beginners.
I heard. Python is slow.
Good question, Bugsy. Python isn't it the fastest, but it's super flexible and powerful. That's why big companies like Google, YouTube, and Netflix use it.
Wow, then I definitely want to learn it.
Alright, let's start our programming. Welcome to Python programming.
Whoa, where are we now, Techie?
This is Python Coding Lab Byte. We will write real Python programs on VS Code IDE and see them come to life.
I bet this is going to be confusing.
Not at all. Python makes coding easy. Let's start with the very first thing every programmer learns, printing text on the screen.
And for that, we use a very special function in Python called print function.
Wait, what? A function?
Great question. A function is like a magic command that tells the computer to do something. In this case, the print function tells Python to display text on the screen.
Think of it like talking to your computer. When you type print, hello, Python world, you're asking Python to show this message.
Alright, now that we understand what Python is and what the print function does, let's see it in action. Watch closely as I guide you step by step. First, we need a proper place to store our Python programs. So let's create a new folder to keep things organized. As a step 1, how to create a project folder. Now right click with your mouse on your desktop. Then select new and click on folder icon. Here name the folder as Python Go Tutorials. Now this folder will hold all the Python files we create in this series, making it easy to find and manage our code. Later right click on your folder and open VS Code editor. Now inside our Python tutorials folder, we'll create a new file and name it as hello.py. The .py extension tells the computer that this is a Python script. Without it, Python wouldn't recognize the file. Now, let's write our very first Python program on hello.py file, the file which we have created just now. Now let's discuss what is happening with this line of code which we have written. Here the print function tells Python to display something on the screen. And here the something is the text which is in a string format, that is hello Python world. We are asking Python to print this text which is in the string format. And how you call it as a string? Because whatever the text is within the quotation marks, it is considered as a string. And now Python will recognize that I need to print this text which is in string format, that is hello Python world, with the help of this print function. Here, hash symbol is used to write comments. Comments are lines in the code that Python ignores during execution. They are meant for others to read and understand the code better. Now, Python supports two types of comments. One is single line comment, the other one is multi line comments. Single line comment use hash symbol at the beginning of the line. Python doesn't have a built-in multi-line comment syntax like other languages, but you can use triple quotes. Another way to write multi-line comment is by using hash on each line, like how I have written with hash symbol for each line of comment. Alright, now let's come back to our first Python program. When we run this program, Python should display the message Hello Python World. Let's see it in action. To run our Python program, we need to open the terminal. Watch closely. Now check the file path and write Python and given file name hello.py on terminal. Here Python needs our file and executes the print function and displays the output. Output appears as Hello Python World. We just ran our first Python program successfully. Let's quickly recap what we did today. Step 1. Created a project folder in VS Code as Python tutorials. Step 2. Created a new Python file by name hello.py. Step 3. Wrote our first print function. Step 4. Ran our Python programming using the terminal. Did you enjoy this lesson? Then like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss episode 2. Thank you for watching. See you all soon in the next coming episode.